everyone, welcome along to this ballet video. It's nice to see you all. We'll get started with our warm-up and then we'll do a little bit of dancing together. We're going to start by warming up our body so we're ready to do a little bit of dancing. So we're going to curl up really small and then we're going to stretch. And we'll curl up really small and stretch. And we'll curl up one more time and stretch, and then we're going to reach down and tickle our toes. Then we're going to flex and point, so we're going to have our good toes and our naughty toes. We'll give our legs a shake and we'll do that all again, coming up and stretching and then our flexing and pointing. All right, so let's put some music on, ready to warm up. Legs out in front, sitting down on the floor. Sit really tall to start with. Well done. You're ready to curl up small. Curl up small. And stretch. Curl up small again. And stretch. And stretch. And tickle those toes. Now, can you have those bad toes? Ooh, and those good toes. Flex. And point. And flex. Legs a shake and shake those arms as well. Ready to curl up small, teeny tiny, and boo. Teeny tiny, and boo. Small and boo. And touch those toes, give them a tickle. Ready to flex and point. And flex. Point one more time, give them a good flex and a good point. Give everything a shake. Well done. Good. Right everybody, let's start with our plie exercise. So we're going to start in first position, holding onto our skirt. And on the introduction, we're going to point our right foot to the side to our second position and lower our heel. We're going to do 3 demi-pliés. So we're going to bend, pull up straight, and 2, and straight, and 3, and straight. We're going to stand still in second position, growing tall, and we'll repeat those pliés. So 3 demi-pliés in second position, then we're going to point our toe and do it all again in first position. So making that diamond and straight 3 times, remember. 3 times. Then we're going to grow tall. Think of that crown on your head. Lift that chin, tummies in. We're going to do that all again. 2, 3, grow tall. All right. So holding onto your skirt, standing in first position. Think of that big slice of cake, and we'll put the music on for our pliés. So first position, point, heel down, and bend those knees. Good. Grow tall in your body. Now stand still with me, straight, think tall, 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 tall. And again. Knees out over those toes. Now this time you're going to point and close to first. Think of those diamonds. How are you doing? Now think tall, you grow. Good, and bend. Good, and again stand still in first and grow tall. Very good. Well done everybody. Right now we're going to try some pointing and some balancing on a one-legged retire. So we're going to put our hands around our waist or hold our skirt, doesn't matter which, and we're going to point our right foot 8 times. So we're going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Really thinking of pointing that toe, stretching those feet. Then we're going to point, lift that toe up to the knee, grow tall, tummies in tight, point and close. Let's try that with the other foot. 1, 2, 3, 4, tummies in, and then we'll do that all again. All right, so hands around your waist, all holding your skirt, ready to point and balance. Ready? And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We'll point. We'll balance. How are you doing? Other leg. And 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We'll point. We'll balance. Good. And we'll do it all again. 8 times. See if you can grow super tall. Point and we'll balance. Grow super tall to the ceiling. Last time with the other foot. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Last balance. Tummies in. Good. Right, we're going to think about turning out our feet in our first position and then bringing them back parallel. So we're going to think about a crocodile jaw. Can you open your crocodile mouth and close it? Snap it shut. And we'll open it again, like that first position, and snap it shut. Good. Have a little practice of that. Opening out. So big crocodile mouth and close it. Snap it shut. And open it wide and snap it shut. Good. So we're going to start in first position with that. Those feet turned out. So big open crocodile mouth. And we're going to close the crocodile mouth. And we're going to open it back out again. Big, 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 big mouth that crocodile's got. And we'll close it. And we'll open it. Then we're going to practice pointing our toe again, just like we did before. We're going to have 3. 1, 2, 3, and close. And 1, 2, 3, and close. Then we're going to see if we can walk around the space that you've got. So if you're in your living room or your kitchen like I am, you're going to point your toes and walk around the space that you have. Really thinking about beautiful pointing toes as you walk. Imagine a crown on your head as you're going. All right, so starting with that first position, turned out feet, big open crocodile mouth. All right, let's put some music on. Ready? And off we go. Close the crocodile jaw and open it out. You can have a look down at your feet and open it. Now point those toes. 1, 2, 3, other foot. Now we'll walk. Walk around the space you have. Think of the crown on your head, pointing toes. Is that crown still on? Well done. Right, we're now going to do some sautés and some échappé sautés. So do you remember what sautés in first are? We make our diamond, and a sauté in first we jump up and land in our first position, up and down. Then you remember the échappé sauté is when we start our diamond, we plie, and we jump to second and back to first. All right? So we're going to have 4 sautés. We're going to bend our knees. We're going to jump 4 times. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. We jump out and in and out and in. Okay, then we'll do that again. Right, so have your hands around your waist, all holding your skirt. Ready, plie. 1, 2, 3, 4. We'll jump out and in. Try again. We jump out, in. Good. Give those legs a shape. Should we try that one more time? Shape those legs. Okay, let's put that music on again. Plie some of you might know petit jeté. Some of you might not have done it before. So we'll have a little practice. We've got our foot behind, and those of you that have done it before, do you remember it's the hopping from one foot to the other? So we've got our petit jeté, derrière, because our foot's going behind. Derrière is behind in French. So we hop from one foot to the other, pointing that toe behind. So when it comes behind, that knee is turned out to the side, and we have our pointy toe at the back. So we're going to try that on the spot. Then we're going to see if we could maybe turn round in a circle. All right, so let's try some petit jeté derrière. So starting in a first position, let's put some music on. All right. Point our toe. Now we bounce from one foot to the other. How are you doing? Let's see if we can maybe go around in a circle. Could we go the other way? Good. How was that? Right, let's do one more allegro or jumping step before we finish with a little bit of a cool down. So we're going to try the polka. So we're going to have our foot pointed to the side, and we're going to take it step together, step and hop. 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 Then we're going to try some spring points. So we're just going to point our toes. So we just can combine the polka with some little spring points. All right, so starting in a first position. Ready? Point. Step together. Step. Hop. Step together. Now let's try spring points. Well done. Very good, everybody. Right, we're going to slow things down now just before we finish up. So we're going to try swaying our arms. So we'll take them across our body and we'll sway them 1, 2, 3, 4. We'll have 5 and 6. Can we make a big circle round? And we'll go again. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, big circle round. Then we'll lift one arm up and open, up and open. Let's make 2 arms go up together, make a frame around your face, and we'll open our arms. All right, so standing in the first position, softly swaying those arms. Let's put some nice gentle music on. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Round they go, big circle round. 1, 2, 3, 4. And another big circle round. Lift up. Try the other arm. Both together. Can you make a frame around your face? Have your smiling face in your picture. Well done, everybody. Thank you for joining in today. I hope you enjoyed yourself, and I'll see you again soon.